So to reach a goal, what you got to do is first assess where you are. You got to know where you're beginning. You got to know your starting point. Assess where you are. Where are you? Are you just joining InterNACHI? Are you brand new, green? You've never done an inspection? InterNACHI has the step-by-step resources that you need in order to gain that confidence to perform your first inspection for your first client. If you are a successful business owner, but compared to last year, things are way down, we have the resources you need in order to boost and revamp your business. If you are a successful home inspector and you want to stop doing so many inspections on your own, one of the best ways to increase gross revenue for your business is hire an inspector. Let that inspector do your dirty work, and you do the things that a business owner is supposed to be doing. The big overall reaching goals, vision, strategies, marketing, oversight, management, time management, things like that. And InterNACHI has those training resources for those people as well. InterNACHI has everything you need to be a successful home inspector. And it doesn't matter where you are or what starting point you're at, but it's up to you to set that goal, and then we'll give you the steps. So I want to give you an example of the steps. Here are 15 steps. Go to nachi.org/everything. If you got a pencil, paper, nachi.org, NACHI.org/everything.